Hello and welcome back to Best of Us Investors. I want to share some exciting news today. I've taken the first steps in striking out to Meta and directly through Mark Zuckerberg to try to set up a partnership with Mark and Best of Us Investors to take my business to the next level. And I want to share this with you because I want you to come away thinking I can do the same thing. I can follow the same journey and I can reach for the stars and become anything I want. All I have to do is formulate the idea and then ask the right people for the help. You as an entrepreneur or an aspiring entrepreneur need to understand that anything you think is possible. All you have to do is to find the right people to help you achieve your goals. And if your goals match up with their goals, they're going to be anxious to help you. You can achieve anything that you can think. I founded Best of Us Investors to help people to achieve their financial goals, to exceed their financial goals. And we have created a network, a subscription on social media of over 342,000 people. We have then created a platform called our Platinum Platform, and we've got over 1,000 people on that. Now I'm wanting to take it further, and I know I need help to do that. So that's why I'm reaching out to Mark, which will then reach out to Jensen and saying, let you help me through the use of your AI platform, through your AI agent, to bring my business and your business, Mark, together so that we both can grow together. All I'm doing is having the courage to reach out to Mark and his development team. I've written them a letter through the use of or the help of their AI, Meta's AI platform, and we're going to see if Mark is interested in working with us. When I discovered the AI platform that Mark and Jensen were putting together, I knew this was my ticket to stardom. This was how I could reach out to the stars and say, hey, help me help you, and we will both benefit together. I want you to know you can ask anybody for help. And if you need help writing a letter to them, try Meta's AI. I have found it fantastic. What I'm going to learn and what I want to take you on this journey with me is I want you to see, I want you to hear what is the response from Meta? What is the response from their development team? What is the response from Mark? And how can I take my business to the next step to reach a $6 billion business? That's right. I have a TAM of over 66 million. That's my total addressable market. That's the number of people who manage their own stock portfolio and are seeking help. With Mark's help and then with the help of his agent, the platform that I offer will get only better. Not only am I going to tap into Mark's ability to put my message in front of my TAM, my 66 million, which will grow my platform, but his agent will also give me access to more data, more information that will help me and my tribe make better investment decisions. And we will grow this to beyond a $6 billion business. And it's all about collaboration. It's all about recognizing I can't do this by myself, but I can ask others for help. I can join into a collaborative effort, and we can take this to beyond our greatest imagination. So I want to leave you with a challenge. What is your big goal? Go into the comments and tell me what your big goal is. If you'll put it in writing, if you'll put it out in public, you have taken the next step to your future. I challenge you to be bold. I challenge you to be aggressive and put in that comment what it is you want to achieve, and then search and find the people who can help you achieve your goal. If I can help you in any way, all you have to do is ask. I believe the same is true of Mark Zuckerberg. I believe it is true of big tech. I believe the next letter I write will be to Google. Believe the next letter I write after that will be to Amazon. I will ask them to help me achieve my goals, and I am confident I will get a positive response. I want you to come on this journey with me. I want you to be thinking, what is your goal? Go right now into the description, share your goal with the world, and let's make it happen. Whatever we think we can achieve.